It's Mark Simpson and I'm an FDRI field tech. This is the mini hydro board. It's basically used for low flow, smaller bodies of water. If we can't get to the opposite bank and we can get in, we've got a golf ball retriever, very technical, but we attach this to the front of the boat via a carabiner, and then we stand behind it, extend it, and then we can just pull it over across the river. But if we've got a bank and we can get to the other side, tie ropes to the front, and then basically another field tech could stand the other side, and you basically take 3 minutes to pull it across for one transect. Yeah, so it's got to be nice and steady, no jerky movement, so you feel, you know, you're feeding it continuously. The ADCP, it measures the flow of the river and the depth. It tells us whether we're in like low flow or high flow, which means that, you know, if we've had high flow, we've had considerable amount of rain, or depending on the size of the river that you're gauging. And low flow is the opposite basically, so it's just, you know, less flow of water into the river or a smaller body of water. Once we've collected the data, we send it to the data team. It's basically a small body board, you know, and it's got the holder for the ADCP, and then it goes through there. So we've pulled it through so we don't scratch the sensors or damage the sensors. So, but it's just a flat bottom. But if the body of water is flowing a bit quicker and it's a little bit deeper, for stability, we lower the stabilizers. So we've got those on either side. And that's just, it flows a little bit quicker or a little bit deeper. It just helps steady the flow and the readings. Yeah, so this is a stand we haven't brought today, but it's for a geode, which will give us connections to satellites. So when we're gauging, we'll attach the geode and it'll tell us, once it's connected to the satellites, it'll tell us within 20 centimetres where we are. So once we get back to base, we hose everything off and we disinfect and sanitise and make sure everything's all clean so there's no cross-contamination. Thanks for watching the video on the mini hydro board, and if you want any more information, there's the FDRI website.